Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install and uninstall the hubcaps for the Rivian R1S, so that tutorial is coming up. So it's pretty simple. There's like kind of these little handle things that you just pull and you can get the hubcap off. Just work them one by one and it should come off. And then it's really just the opposite to put it back on. So what I found is if you put each side of the hubcap in and you work the other side of each little space, it goes in a lot easier that way. So do that, do each one, all five of them, and that's it. So I hope that helped.